Round one. Fight.
Yeah, they got a swimming pool. Yeah, very big swim. Yeah. In the back swim pool. White from Thailand.
White Thailand. Yeah, white from Thailand.
Yeah. We have to go to you can go there. Very good. Very good place for me.
Right? We can throw a party today.
I go sleep, but
It makes me stay awake. When I smoke, I am awake. It's true.
Why?
I don't know. I know why. I think because when you smoke, and then eventually when that burns out,
Yeah.
I will drop off. But for me, like I don't know, I'm a bit strange.
Stuff, you know. That's a reason. Well, I mean, like, it doesn't matter. They're fairly close to the same price. You know, you don't save that much. You can map around and connect you up with it.
But it looks okay. That's it.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. You can live it. You don't have to worry about it.
He doesn't hang up a number.
Facebook.
But if I go you on Facebook, it's actually good though, because that way I find the social media you see WhatsApp. You don't use WhatsApp too much now.
You're already connected. That didn't work, did it? Yeah. There's a lot of fucking big titty women, isn't there? How did I not get your message? I got the same problem with it. It's very strange, bro. I don't understand why.
Like yours is like, yours is like blocked up.
I can't understand it. Like, I don't get it. We're looking at that.
Why would you looking at the
There you go. Now it should be connected.
No, yeah. No, yeah.
I think I look at it. You just use the